Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzal and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you find the information useful, please like this video. Remember that a lot of hard work is done in the background to get you all this information. Today is Monday, 18th of July 2022. Let's look at today's gold prices in the UK. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold, it is 46.26 without VAT, and with VAT is 55.51. 22 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 42.47 and with VAT is 50.96. 21 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 40.48 and with VAT is 48.58. 18 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 34.70 and with VAT is 41.64. 14 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 27.06 and with VAT is 32.47. 10 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 19.29 and with VAT is 23.15. Last but not the least, 6 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 11.57 and with VAT is 13.88. Keeping in mind the VAT rate in the UK is 20%. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friend and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.